Hi everyone, this is my fourth new technologies video, and this will be about Typing Club. This is very similar to the other videos I've done in the past. One on Prodigy, which is more for math, sort of practice, which is adaptive, and Duolingo, which is also adaptive, but for learning new languages. So Typing Club is an adaptive program for students, which, just as you would guess, teaches keyboarding skills. So right now I am in a student, sort of basic student view, working through like a very basic first lesson. This has been great for students to practice their skills when they have some downtime. So this has really been helpful for that. I don't have the paid version, so I do get a lot of these ads, but I just finished this lesson. So they get points, they have requirements, they have scores. A lot of this just very basic stuff. So then you can start working through lessons, sort of practicing their skills. And then if they want to return, they can see their progress on all of these lessons, and they can end up playing games after they have a certain number of points and stars. So that really keeps them, keeps the level of engagement quite high, actually. So this is just a very short review, but definitely something for students at any age that are looking to increase their typing ability. So not only that, but they have badges and a lot of these other sort of video game aspects that a lot of students find quite engaging. So again, shoot me a comment if you have any questions, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you. Bye.